Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. So first of all, open Snapchat. After that, click on to profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on setting icon. Scroll down. Click on app appearance and select always dark. Finally, click on restart now. Okay, now done. Okay, now successfully turn on dark mode on Snapchat. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.